How to fix Counter-Strike 2 error 1114 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Locate the CS2 game icon. Right-click on it. From the context menu that appears, select Run as Administrator. CS2 will launch with elevated privileges. Test the game to ensure the error is resolved. Open Steam. Go to your library. Right-click on Counter-Strike, Global Offensive. Select Properties. Navigate to the Local Files tab. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the process to finish. Click Close once it's done. If that didn't work, Method 4. Remove configuration files permanently.